Imagine a global computer. It's always on, it's accessible to everyone, and it can run any program you can dream up. That's Ethereum in a nutshell. It's not just a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, it's a whole new way of using the internet. Ethereum was created in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin. He saw the potential of blockchain technology beyond digital money. He wanted to build a platform for decentralized applications. These are apps that run exactly as programmed, with no downtime or interference. At its core, Ethereum is a blockchain. Each block contains information about transactions and smart contracts. This makes Ethereum incredibly secure and transparent. Smart contracts are at the heart of what makes Ethereum special. Imagine a vending machine. You put in $1, press B6, and out comes your candy bar. That's basically how a smart contract works. It's a set of instructions that execute automatically when certain conditions are met. Smart contracts can handle complex transactions. They can facilitate the exchange of money, property, shares, or anything of value. And they do it in a transparent, conflict-free way without needing a middleman. One of the key features of smart contracts is that they're immutable. Once a smart contract is deployed on the Ethereum network, it can't be changed. This provides a level of security and trust that's hard to match.
Smart contracts aren't just theoretical. They're already being used in the real world. One exciting application is in supply chain management, where they are transforming how goods are tracked and managed. Imagine a shipment of bananas traveling from South America to Europe. At each step of the journey, the temperature, location, and condition of the bananas could be recorded on the blockchain, ensuring complete transparency. If the temperature rises too high, a smart contract could automatically trigger a penalty for the shipping company. Conversely, if the bananas arrive on time and in good condition, payment could be released automatically, streamlining the entire process. This level of transparency and automation could revolutionize global trade, making it more efficient and reliable. Another area where smart contracts are making waves is in the world of finance. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a whole ecosystem of financial applications built on Ethereum. These applications allow people to lend, borrow, and trade without the need for traditional banks, offering more freedom and flexibility. It's like having a 24/7 global financial system that anyone can access with just an internet connection, breaking down barriers and opening up new opportunities for everyone.
At its core, Ethereum is a blockchain. Think of a blockchain as a digital ledger. It's like a really long Excel spreadsheet that keeps track of who owns what. But instead of being stored on one computer, it's stored on thousands of computers all around the world. This decentralization is what makes Ethereum so powerful. There's no single point of failure. No one can just shut it down or manipulate the data. It's like having thousands of accountants all keeping an eye on the books at the same time. Ethereum uses a technology called the Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM, to run smart contracts. The EVM is like a giant global computer that never turns off. When you deploy a smart contract, it's like uploading a program to this computer. Once it's there, it will run exactly as programmed forever.
While Ethereum has a lot of potential, it's not without its challenges. One of the biggest issues is scalability. As more people use Ethereum, the network can become congested. This leads to slower transaction times and higher fees. It's like a highway during rush hour, too many cars trying to use the same road. Ethereum is working on solutions to this problem. One approach is called sharding, which is like adding more lanes to the highway. Another is moving to a different consensus mechanism called proof of stake. This is like changing the rules of the road to make traffic flow more smoothly. Another criticism of Ethereum is its environmental impact. Like Bitcoin, Ethereum currently uses a lot of energy to secure its network. However, the move to proof of stake should significantly reduce this. It's like switching from gas-guzzling cars to electric vehicles.
The future of Ethereum is exciting and full of potential, brimming with possibilities that could reshape our digital landscape. One of the most anticipated developments is Ethereum 2.0, a major upgrade that promises to transform the platform. This upgrade aims to make Ethereum more scalable, secure, and sustainable, addressing some of the biggest challenges it faces today. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a rocket ship, a leap that will significantly enhance its capabilities. The same basic principles, but with vastly improved performance and efficiency. We're also likely to see more real-world adoption of Ethereum and smart contracts, as businesses recognize their potential. As the technology matures and becomes more user-friendly, we could see it being used in everything from voting systems to supply chain management, revolutionizing these sectors. It's like the early days of the internet. We're just scratching the surface of what's possible, with endless opportunities ahead. The growth of decentralized finance, or DeFi, on Ethereum is another trend to watch closely. This could revolutionize the way we think about banking and financial services, making them more accessible and efficient. Imagine being able to get a loan, trade assets, or earn interest without ever dealing with a traditional bank, simplifying financial transactions. It's like having a global 24/7 financial system in your pocket, available anytime, anywhere.
Ethereum and smart contracts represent a new frontier in the digital world, opening doors to unprecedented opportunities. They offer the potential to revolutionize how we handle agreements, exchange value, and interact with digital systems, making processes more transparent and efficient. It's like we're standing at the edge of a new digital continent, full of possibilities we're only beginning to explore, much like the early days of the internet. While there are challenges to overcome, the potential benefits are enormous, promising to reshape industries and create new economic models. From more efficient business processes to new forms of digital ownership, Ethereum could change many aspects of our lives, including how we manage and secure our digital identities. It's like the early days of the internet. We know it's important, but we're still figuring out all the ways it can be used and the full extent of its impact. As with any new technology, it's important to approach Ethereum and smart contracts with both excitement and caution, balancing innovation with responsibility. We need to be aware of the risks and challenges, while also embracing the potential for positive change, ensuring we build a secure and inclusive digital future. In the end, Ethereum and smart contracts are tools, powerful ones that can drive significant transformation. Like any tools, their impact will depend on how we choose to use them and the vision we have for the future.